I wasn't going to bother taking the polyplastic tonight, but considering this is the weather forecast for 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to be taking the polyplastic with me, just in case. Bit of a cop out for the prepping video this week, because basically it's the same as last week. I'm not going to do any food tonight. I'm going to carry a few bits and pieces, like some little roast potatoes I just done. I'll take those, just something to snack on. But the actual things I'm taking, it's the same as last week. Because it's meant to be dry most of the night, but 3 o'clock in the morning up until midday, it's going to hammer down. I mean, massive time. So I'm going to be taking the polyplastic and take the same stuff as last time. The only variation is going to be my lighter, because I'm going to take my thing for coffee in the morning. So the lighter I'm taking, it's a different type. It's the same rechargeable arc lighter, but it's got 4 points of contact instead of 2. So hopefully it should be a bit more effective in lighting things. This is my alternate lighter. It's the same technology, except this one, it's a more robust, it's got a waterproof casing. The other lighter is waterproof. It's just that it's too susceptible to damage, because it's like a long thingy. Whereas this one, it's a nice solid plastic casing. Also, of course, it's got the obligatory really bright lights, and also it does a disco thing as well. Anyway, but yeah, this one's got a 4 thingy. How do I open it? Where is it? Yeah, it's got a 4. Open. Trying it left-handed, which is not easy. Yeah, so you got 4 things instead of 2. So the other one works great, but I don't mind using up more electric. So yeah, that one's going to be the replacement. I dug out one of my little vitamin container things. It's one of those plunk fizz things, you know, those things, you know, which just happens to be the perfect size if you bap it down tight enough to hold 2 dessert spoons of coffee powder, 2 of sugar, and 2 of milk powder, which is just enough to do 3/4 of a litre of coffee. My breakfast. And just for a little bit of extra insurance, I'm going to put it inside one of these little plastic baggies that, you know, my AliExpress stuff came in, just in case the lid does come off. So that can go on there, and one of those really very, very thin hair ties. Brand new, but really thin. It's like 98 for 50p or something. Anyway, so that can go there to secure it, just in case it comes loose. If you get coffee or milk powder, sugar is not too bad. You can make sugar wet and it can rinse off. Coffee, and especially milk powder. Milk powder is evil. Milk powder is one of the most restricted items in prison because it's an explosive. The only thing more restricted than milk powder is not stuff to make booze, it's sweeteners. Because I brain damaging they are. So yeah, that's my breakfast.